Hey team, welcome back to the channel. I'm Frank Cho and I'm here to help you live a richer life. As promised, I'm going to give you an update today on where I'm at on the Southwest Rapid Rewards credit card and how I'm tracking towards the Companion Pass for this year and the carryover through the end of next year. So if you followed along in the previous videos, then you'll know that we got the credit card so that we could get to the Companion Pass, which will allow us to have 2-for-1 travel for the next almost 2 years. So I'll link those videos down below in the description so you can catch up if you haven't seen them. If you have, then today we're just going to jump right into the tracker and a few quick updates so that you know where I'm at and then how you can get there too, because it's really easy to do this year. And if you fly at all with Southwest, then you definitely want to pursue this. So that being said, make sure to hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you haven't already. Let's jump right into it. So first things first, let me just remind you of the email that came out from Southwest that was a huge benefit here. So if you had a Rapid Rewards membership already, meaning at any point before the end of last year, you had signed up for Southwest and their Rapid Rewards program to earn points, they are giving you this just for free. So 15,000 tier qualifying points, but 25,000 Companion Pass qualifying points, which is huge because the requirement for Companion Pass is 125,000. They're giving you 25, taking it down to 100. The credit card bonuses get you 80, and you get another 10 from the spend it requires to get you to the 80 at a minimum. So you really only need to earn 10, which is really easy to do this year with the ways I showed you in the last video. Other things they give you are qualifying flights, but we're not concerned with those right now. So let me jump over to the tracker and tell you what's been going on. So as of right now, I am sitting at 80,165 qualifying points. So you can see that here. I took a snip right from Southwest on their website where they have a tracker as well versus my detailed tracker. So let's talk about this. Of that, this is the breakdown, and let me talk through it. First is the credit card bonus. So we talked all about the credit card. So I got that first tier bonus of 50,000 points. So that's right there. And here's the spending that I did to get to that. So you had to spend $2,000 to get it. And I hit that right before the cutoff. So 2,038 points right there. So between those two, 52,038 points just from the credit card. Now, again, I advise you don't spend if you don't need to, but the timing of this was good so that it was the billing cycle there at the end of the year. I got a couple things I was already planning on getting that were a little pricier. And the other big thing, again, as I mentioned before, is getting stuff done at the new house for the lawn. Rapid Rewards Dining. I signed up. I got the 1,000-point bonus, but the 1,000-point bonus doesn't count towards Companion Pass, which really surprised me. The 113 points I earned there from eating out did count, but not the bonus. So it showed up in my account as points I can spend towards flights, but it is not counting that towards the Companion Pass, which I really thought it would, given it's the same program, but it's not. Not a big deal. We'll make up for it elsewhere. Rapid Rewards Shopping. So again, this is that portal that's very similar to Rakuten or some of the other ones that are out there, Retail Me Not, so on. I just want to show real quick here. You can see where the breakdown is. Just a couple shopping trips to Children's Place, clothes for the kids, Saks, a birthday present for my wife, Home Depot, had to get new air filters. But the big one was Sunbasket. For Sunbasket, just for signing up for one time to try it was 2,700 points, which is the equivalent of spending $2,700 just for trying it. Food was pretty good. It's a little pricey. It's not something that I'll keep doing, I don't think. But for that huge sign-up bonus, it was worth it, and it's not like it went to waste. We enjoyed the meals, so that was good. So we got 3,014 points there. And then, of course, the big one is that 25,000 Companion Pass qualifying point bonus gift from Southwest from that email. So that did post, and it shows there. So you can see, again, right here, it's there in my progress. So now let's look at next month. So credit card spending, I already have over $9,000 on the credit card. Again, this is all landscaping. It's a huge job for the backyard to be installed from just dirt. And so isn't even the full amount. I knew this was coming. I planned for it. That's why I got the card and why I'm doing this now. So again, can't say it enough times. Don't overspend, but if you know that you have a big expense coming up, it's a great time to get a new credit card so that you can get the big bonus. And so because of that, you'll see these two combined to have crossed that $10,000 threshold, which will get me that extra 30,000 points. So in the month of February, I will have at least these two, and I still have a little bit of spending I'll do before that cycles. And you can see at this point, I'm only 5,717 points away from the companion pass now, if you factor that in. So there'll be more spending. I know that through the Rapid Rewards shopping portal, I can definitely find some good opportunities there. They have quite a few options. I mean, you're talking Home Depot, Best Buy. These are ones that you can stack too with your Amex Platinum offers. That's really important if you have the Amex Platinum. That's what I did here. I had that $50 free on the Amex Platinum. So this didn't cost me anything, but I got 27 points there. So I know it's not a ton, but again, that didn't require me to spend anything. So look for opportunities like that. The shopping portal, I think, is definitely going to be one that has a lot of opportunity there, especially with the bigger sign-up ones with free trials. If you're interested in any of these meal kits, I think basically all of them have some sort of bigger bonus offer that you can try out. Consider that if you want to. My target was to get this by early April. If I don't get it with other spending here, I still have to finish the lawn. So this was, again, just the half up front. No matter what, I'll get it on the back half when they complete the lawn and landscaping. But I think I'll probably end up getting it in March, possibly even before the cycle completes. That's where I'm at. Make sure to use that link below to get the Southwest card if it's something that makes sense for you. I think it's a great offer. It's only going for another month and a half. I think it's the end of February where they drop it back. So take advantage of it if you fly with Southwest. And remember that first tier of the bonus, the 50,000 points, only requires $2,000 in spending. Even if you're not trying to get the companion pass, if you think it's ridiculous, whatever, that 50,000 miles is still worth quite a bit, even without the big spend. So hopefully this was helpful for you. Again, I'll link the tracker down below as well so that you have that link too. Again, free download, nothing you have to buy. It's just there for you because this makes it easier for me to visualize and plan out. They have the tracker there, but it doesn't let you plan future stuff. It's just showing you where you're at right now. Tracker's there for you. Videos are in the description. Make sure to drop a like if you thought this was helpful for you and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for joining. I'll see you next time.